Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in our child's pose. Open your knees wide, walk your hands forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take some deep breaths and silently repeat to yourself, I am at peace. And let's make our way up, staying in our kneeling position, lifting our left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Switch sides. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. And just take some body circles to the right. So just shifting your hips to the right and back and to the left. And you lean forward. And now switch directions. Come back to center for cow pose as you arch your back looking up. And cat pose, round your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Move through your cat-cows at your own pace. Come back to your tabletop. Rotate your hands so that your fingers face the outside of your mat. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, your fingertips can face you. Just for a little wrist stretch, and you start to rock back and forth. Face your fingertips back to the front. As you reach your right arm up towards the ceiling, take 2 arm circles to the front. And 2 to the back. Reach that arm back up as you thread the needle. Send that right arm behind the left wrist, and then reach your left arm forward. Reach your right arm up one more time as you take some circles with your hand. Lower your right hand down as you lift your left arm up, and you take 2 circles to the front and 2 to the back. Lift that arm up as you thread the needle, and you reach that right arm forward. We lift our left arm up one more time and lower it down as you tuck your toes under for your downward facing dog, sending your hips up and back. And you can just pedal your legs out here, bending and straightening. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat for ragdoll pose, opening the legs, and let's just hang here. You can clasp your hands behind your neck to give you a little bit more weight, releasing any tension in your spine. Release your hands as you turn your feet out for Malasana. Sink deep into your hips. Option to place your hands at heart center, and maybe you take some head circles or you just move your head, your neck. Have a seat with your legs straight out in front of you. Reach your arms all the way up. Take a big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Lie down on your back as you hug your knees into your chest. Coming back to our intention of peace, inner peace. Lower your feet down onto the mat as you knock your knees together, placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Take some deep breaths as I read you some affirmations. I am free to be fully and unapologetically myself. I am always free to change my mind, my path, and my pace. I let go of what I cannot control, and I trust what I can. I let go with grace, knowing that every release makes space for something greater in my life. I am allowed to take my time. I am patient because I trust that what is meant for me will never miss me. I am full of gratitude for the person that I am becoming. Let's end our class by taking a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope that you have such a peaceful and amazing day. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.